Hello, in front of me I've got Mercedes B180. In this video I'll show you where is the VIN number of your car and what does the VIN number stands for. The vehicle identification number is a unique code assigned to every vehicle. It serves to provide access to vehicle history and equipment. First VIN number you can find in your car is located behind passenger's doors on this sticker. Second VIN number is located on the back of engine compartment, right here on the firewall. Last VIN number you can find should be located right here. Now let's take a look at the VIN number and decode it. First three characters typically denote the car manufacturer. Characters from 4th to 9th or 10th position describe the model and type of vehicle. 10th character represents the vehicle production year. Subsequent characters may indicate the car's place of manufacture. Remaining characters form a unique serial number for identification. In some cases the VIN includes details about engine and body. But these are not informations. All informations you can get from VIN number. Thanks to VIN, we can also learn about vehicle trim level, engine type and size, body style, safety features, production plant specific features, check digit number, market and destination, and series informations. All of those informations you can get from manufacturer or dealer, online services, or government agencies. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.